Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how ChatGPT can supercharge your content creation. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or marketing copy, ChatGPT is a tool that can save you time and spark new ideas. So, what is ChatGPT? It's an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate text based on the prompts you give it. Think of it like having a virtual writing assistant that can brainstorm, draft, and even polish your content. The best part is that you don't need to be a tech expert. It's as simple as typing your request and seeing instant results. For example, imagine you need a blog post about 5 tips for beginner gardeners. You could type, "Write a friendly blog post about 5 tips for beginner gardeners." ChatGPT will create a draft you can refine, saving you hours of writing time. Or, if you need social media content, like a catchy Instagram post about a new coffee shop opening, you can prompt, "Write 3 Instagram captions for a coffee shop grand opening." ChatGPT will generate multiple options, letting you pick your favorite. And for marketing copy, such as an email promoting a new product, you might ask, "Write a persuasive email introducing our new eco-friendly water bottle." ChatGPT can produce polished, professional text that's ready to send or tweak. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to efficiently use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, draft text, and improve your workflow.